So it's from Mir Soto. The WhatsApp number 881-40559 to order. Oh, this rempah soto dia, Masya Allah. First the tauge. Tauge is a must. I like to mix mihun. Abah hungry lah. Chicken. Oh, ini kalau ada kaki ayam, confirm best. The one bergedil. Mi soto must with the soup and chili. The soup must hot. Then you can taste the rempah. The rempah soto. Do you know what it lacks? Kaki ayam. This one from home-based business. They cook from home. When people order, after that they deliver. If you guys want to order, it's Mir Soto, MIRSOTO. Put the details in the caption so you can order them. Thank you, very nice. Alhamdulillah. Rempah soto dah rasa. Ada mi soto kan, dia kuah blend. Ini ada rasa rempah. Cili dia nak kena pedas sikit.
Kalau katanya aku, salty.
Is it?
Is it?
Kau rasa dulu?
Aku dah rasa, aku rasa soto. Dah panaskan.
Aku rasa tak
Kuah
bagi aku
soto dia
macam
nak
salty
kena
sikit.
nak kena apa tu? Nak kena panas kuah soto dia. Tak labang.
I think maybe because of the chili tak.
Ifan? Masin?
I don't know. Everything nice.